Any Moment of the Year award. Sorry. First, LaSalle sweeping Ateneo in the elimination round for the first time since 2013. Next is LaSalle's comeback win in Game 2 of this year's finals against UP. Next, ex-Bedons getting the last say against very warm and welcoming and hospitable San Beda crowd. Last is LaSalle and CSB making it in the finals in the same season since 2000 and I think this is, if I recall it correctly, this is an audience choice. So, the choice ng ating mga madlang people and the winner of the Any Moment of the Year award is LaSalle's comeback win in Game 2 of the finals against UP. Ang ibang klase naman talaga yun. Yeah.